Imagine stepping into a workshop where the facilitator begins with a personal story, sharing their own learning journey filled with both missteps and triumphs. Instantly, the atmosphere warms and connections form. This is the essence of building rapport and trust, a cornerstone of effective adult learning. Think of the learning environment as a vibrant dinner party. Monologues rarely inspire. It's the rich tapestry of shared ideas that brings the setting to life. Inviting learners to contribute transforms sessions into collaborative experiences where every voice adds flavor. Adults come equipped with a suitcase full of experiences. Unpacking these within the learning space not only enriches discussions but also validates each individual's journey, making education deeply personal and relevant. Consider a cooking class. Some prefer reading recipes, others watching demonstrations, and some diving hands-on into kneading dough. Similarly, learners have unique styles. Visual learners. They thrive on images, diagrams, and visual aids. For them, a picture truly is worth 1,000 words. Auditory learners. These individuals resonate with lectures, discussions, and auditory materials, attuned to the nuances of spoken words. Kinesthetic learners. Hands-on activities, simulations, and real-life applications are their playground. They learn by doing, feeling, and experiencing. Picture a jazz band. Each musician has a solo, but together they create a symphony. In educational settings, harmonizing individual aspirations with group dynamics ensures personal growth while fostering a sense of community. Feedback is like seasoning, too little, and the dish is bland, too much, and it's overpowering. The right amount enhances flavor. Similarly, effective feedback enriches the learning experience. Constructive and actionable critiques. Instead of saying, "Your report is unclear," consider, "Clarifying your main points in the introduction could enhance readability." This approach provides a clear path for improvement. Encouraging self-assessment. Empower learners to reflect on their own work. Questions like, what areas do you feel most confident about, and where do you see room for growth? Promote introspection and self-directed learning. By weaving these strategies into the fabric of educational programs, we create environments where learners feel valued, understood, and motivated to engage deeply with the content. After all, as the saying goes, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. Ready to transform your educational approach? Embrace these techniques to foster a learning environment where adults not only absorb information, but thrive in their educational journey. Now let's turn the spotlight onto you. Reflect on your own learning experiences. What strategies have you found most effective in your personal learning journey? How can you incorporate these insights into your current or future educational endeavors? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your experiences can inspire and guide others in their learning paths. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to ensure your creativity and innovations are simplified.